I say the fusion of certain interest. Many people say that the Quran is a contradiction, and that is in Surah Ma'arij and in Surah Sajda. It is written in Surah Ma'arij that the angels and the spirit ascend unto him on a day, whereas the span is 50,000 years. But in Surah Sajda it says, verse number 6, Surah Ma'arij was verse number 3 and 4, Surah Sajda is verse number 5, says, Allah arranges every affair from the heavens to the earth, then it will go to him in one day, the space thereof is 1,000 years of your reckoning. The objection is that in one verse it says 50,000 years and in another verse it says 1,000 years. But the point is in Surah Ma'arij, it is the angels and the spirit who ascend in 50,000 years. But in Surah Sajda, verse number 5, it is affairs will go to Allah in 1,000 years. So these are two different things, affairs, angels and spirit. Just as light travels at 1,86,000 miles per second, but sound travels much slower. So there is a jet fighter which goes at 7,000 miles per hour, which means about 9.3 times faster than sound. But if light goes 1,86,000 miles in 1 second, but this distance will be covered in a very, very long time by this jet also. It will not take 1 second, but so many seconds, so many hours it will take to cover 1,86,000 miles. So there is no difference, no contradiction. So these are two different things being talked about. And this talk I would like to end with a request that every Muslim is requested not to fall headlong and say that this is contradiction and all that. In matter of Quran, just try to give some cool-minded thoughts and research, and Allah will bless you with the right answer. So there can be no contradiction in Quran, because Allah says if it was from someone else and not Allah, there would have been many contradictions in this Quran. And with this I take your leave. Allah Hafiz.